Hey all my crafty friends, Amber here, your close to my heart maker, and I got a box in the mail. Okay, so I got a box and I decided I was gonna do a video, unboxing video. I don't know what they call them, but I'm gonna do one because I've watched them and I love them. So I thought I'd share in the fun. I did cover my address so nobody can see that. But all these products can be found on my website starting tomorrow, January 1st. These are all products from the new January, February catalog, you guys. And as a consultant, you do get the perks of ordering things early, which I did. So I've got to jump on the ball and get some things created because I got to be able to post them tomorrow. But my box finally came and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So again, scrapwithamber.closetomyheart.com is my website. I would appreciate if anybody is interested in these items and you want to do some shopping. I would love for you to shop with me. I always send thank you notes and I give lots of freebies and fun things for people that shop with me. If you want to sign up to be on the VIP program, I have lots of specials going for my VIP, especially this month, so you want to join. If you have any questions about that, I will leave a link in the description below. But feel free to leave a comment, you guys, if you have questions, and I will get back to you and we can sort those out. Okay, so let's get to this, right? Let's get to the fun stuff. I did open it already and take out like the extra packaging and stuff, but that's it. Okay, so like I said, these are from the January, February catalog. I did post a video yesterday doing a walkthrough of this catalog, so lots of fun things in here. If you want to jump over to that video, I think I'll leave a description or a link in the description below for that too, so you can see the whole catalog. But these are things that I got from it. So, oh you guys, I love this stamp set. This is a stamp and thin cut, and it is called A Whole Latte Love. And it's just cute. It has like the little mug and the little sleeve and all these cute little coffee sayings. So cute. I love our stamps and thin cuts. We do have the clear stamps, so you do need your blocks to use those. But love, love, love. Okay, so there's one stamp set. This is actually from the core catalog. I hadn't gotten this yet and I decided to get it. So I have the flowers. You guys wait, watch. There's more. 'Cause that's not all of it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how big that is. That's my hand, like, that's huge. And then it does have the center. You can see right here, a cute flower that's put together. Fun for layering. I am going to do a video and post that tomorrow. I'm going to use this. Ah, I love it. Okay. So we also have these two new stamp sets, January and February. Since there's a January and a February, I am going to go ahead and say that they're probably, each catalog would be whatever those 2 months are. There'll be a stamp set coordinating with a month so that you guys can collect these all year round. So you want to jump on it and get these two stamp sets. They are both D-size stamp sets. January, let's say Happy New Year. Snow Angel, Baby It's Cold Outside, New Year's Day, Chillin', Hot Cocoa, Snow Day, lots of snowflakes, a cute mug, Winter, Frosty, January, these cute trees. And then we have the February, has two different Februaries. It says love, I love you, will you be mine, yes or no? Oh! Sweetheart kiss, hey sugar, XOXO. Be my Valentine. There's some skis, a cupcake, an envelope, some of the cute conversation hearts, Valentine's Day. What cute stamp sets. Oh, you guys, I'm excited about this. So we now have slimline cards and envelope card bases. And I got our new diagonal striped slimline thin cut. This is huge, you guys. I'm going to do a video hopefully in the next few days, and I'll make a card because I've seen some really cute ideas with this, and I want to run with it and make some of my own. So excited. Woo! Okay, happiness lives here. I'm going to move this box. Let's just take everything out of the box and move the box. Okay, so happiness lives here. Oh, we'll sneak. Oh! sneak into that in a minute. So this is Happiness Lives Here. We have the wood shapes, which are flowers and leaves. I love these, you guys. I'm going to have to buy a few of these because these are good things to have with multiple collections and can cross over. So I'm going to have to get a couple of those. Here are the PML cards. These are Project My Life cards. They are for pocket scrapbooking. However, I use them in my regular scrapbooking, you guys. And I love them. This is a great story. Grateful. Happy Day. Oh, that's beautiful. And they're different, you guys. So one side, like this is pink and says Happy Day. That's green and says Happy Day. That's pink and says Grateful. That's different swooshes. That's just a different direction. So they are all double-sided. Oh, look at that flower. That'd be so fun to fussy cut and use. I'm gonna have to order a couple more of these too. The cute hearts. Love. Oh, I love paprika. Oh, that's pretty too. The Sweet Life. Oh. So those were the 3x4s. Here are 4x6s. Once again, you guys, I love using these in my regular. Oh, fussy cut that out. Oh. Okay, sorry. I keep singing at a very high note, and I don't know why. That's really pretty. I love the check right there. Another fun thing to fussy cut out if you wanted. Journaling cards, title cards. So cute, you guys. I'm trying to be quick because I don't want this video to be way long, but I want to show you guys everything. That's why you're here, right? You want to see. We want to see. We want to see. Okay, I'm not going to put that away so we can save on some time. Okay, so this is the Happiness Lives Here paper pack and sticker. And then, of course, I got the cardstock that matches. I love that we have coordinating cardstock because then you don't have to buy a bunch of cardstock if you don't need it, right? Look how pretty these stickers are. You guys, they're gorgeous. I love these big tabs right here. Happiness is this. Hello, this is us. Our story, memories are here. Lots of floral, you guys. Lots of floral. I love it. Love, love, love it. I can't wait. This is what I'm going to create with as soon as I'm done with this video. Okay, all of our paper is double-sided. And their zip strip has our branding on one side, as you can see there. On the other side is a decorative zip strip, as we call them. Oh, pretty. That blue is gorgeous. I love this floral. Ooh, okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then, of course, the matching cardstock. Let's just thumb through that real quick. Paprika. Oh, I love orange. Is my favorite color. Some sage. Some or is that peach or ballerina? I think it's peach. And then, of course, bluebell, a color of the year. And it looks like there's 3 sheets of each. So there's 12 sheets total for $9.95. Good price. Okay, let's put that back in the box. Okay, here is our next collection that I got, which is Sweet Safari. Look at these puffy stickers. I love me some puffy stickers, you guys. These are adorable. These would make such cute baby cards. Okay, let's move on to our PML cards. Just gonna really quickly show you both sides. Oh, the little giraffe. Oh, he's blue. Oh, he's cute. Hello, little one. I love using these, you guys, in my scrapbooking. Tiny little you. I did order both of the workshop kits, and those are on their way to me. And I'm actually going to do videos putting those together. I might change them up a little, might do my own thing, might follow the directions. I haven't decided yet. Pretty sure Happiness Lives Here. I'm going to follow the directions, though, because it's stinking cool. This one I might change up just a little. Oh, I love that chevron. T is for tiger. Enjoy the moment. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You are my greatest adventure. Oh, I have a sign on my wall downstairs that says that and has 2 arrows. And then I have my kids' school pictures on either side. I love them. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm not putting things away. Let's pull out this paper pack, shall we? You guys, this sticker sheet has that UV coating on it. Can you see? Like the polka dots on there are UV coated. The stripes. Oh, can you see it? Like the shine of it. Oh, I love it. Adventure. I love big titles. We call my son a sloth because he's slower than crap. He's so slow to do anything. We're always like, move, dude. Do your thing. So that's definitely going to have to go on a page with him. Okay, and then here are our papers. Again, double-sided with a fun zip strip. Oh, you guys, this one's my favorite. I also like this green. Oh, and the red polka dots, so cute. Let's see here, see them all? Oh, what a pretty, pretty, pretty palette. Okay, and then we will just pull out the cardstock real quick. And we'll see that. Now this, I didn't get everything, obviously, because I don't have that much money. This one has 2 sheets of every color. So we have bluebird, avocado, Sundance, Lagoon, Candy Apple Red, and Espresso. Very good variety of paper to go with that. Okay, next, we have a couple of specials, you guys, going on right now. This is the Perfect Match paper pack. I don't think I got the coordinating cardstock. Weird. Good thing I have cardstock galore in my stash. Okay, this is a fun sticker sheet. I like that half of them have that black background, where half of them have that white. Like the outlining is white on this one, but the outlining on like this is black. That's cool. Lots of cute sayings. You guys are going to want to get this. There's actually a whole kit you can purchase, and they're going to do a Facebook Live on, oh, you know why? This is the kit. So you get the cardstock. I'm missing one right here. So they are double-sided. But there's if you go to Close to My Heart's Facebook page, they have an event where they're going to be creating layouts, cards, and little treat things. So you're going to want to buy this and go sign up for that event. It's totally free. And we can all craft together virtually. Okay, this is the last special that I got. This is Bring Back My Paper Pack. This has been in customs for a while, and so it was delayed on being released to us. And I got the whole workshop kit thing. Comes with card bases, envelopes, because there's a guide and stuff for it I think you can download. Look how cute that stamp set is. Great for invitations. Congratulations, it's a shower. Congratulations on your little one, on your special day. Fun. Ooh, and then gold glitter gems. Love those. This stamp set has thin cuts with it. That's cute. This is new. This one I think came with it when it was released the first time. So I might have this in my stash. But that's okay. This is new though. These are new designs. Oops. And then of course it comes with your cardstock and your paper pack. With a few extra sheets of white. Ooh, bumped the camera. Sorry. Okay. Ooh, you guys, orange is my favorite color and I love this paper pack. Look at the flowers. Every day has a story. Fabulous. A little journaling. Corner blocks. You guys, I'm in love. I can't wait to create with this one. So fun. Then again, it's the same paper, just with current colors from back in the day. I actually just did a video. Okay, so if you scroll through my videos, did I do it on here or did I do it on Facebook? Maybe I did it on Facebook. I'll try to find it and link it. But I did a video of my daughter. She got stitches, and I actually used this paper pack just recently, but the old one. So, oh, so pretty. I love orange, and it makes my heart happy. Let's see. This one comes with a lot of cardstock too. 2 of each color. So we have Nectarine, I think is what it's called. Smoothie. Yep, Nectarine. Green Apple. Lagoon. Glacier. And White. Perfect. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love it. I cannot wait to create and play. Okay, so thank you for watching my unboxing, my first unboxing. Woohoo! Again, if you like these products and you would like to get any of them, you can visit my website, scrapwithamber.closetomyheart.com. You can order to your heart's desire. They'll send you a free catalog in your first order, and then you can have this and look through it. So, there's that. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a fabulous New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and a new year. I am going to do a little bit of creating before I celebrate tonight with my family. So, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!